Have you ever done anything for me? Now, this is the question that we normally ask, right? But how about we start with what have I done for myself? All this and much more in today's episode of She Knows Only on Wonder Woman Wednesday. We always find it easier to blame others. Expectations, promises, commitments, we want people to honor all of this. But do we ask ourselves, what have I done for myself? Am I keeping the promises that I've made to myself? If not, now is the time to start. And here are five promises that you can start with. Promise to prioritize yourself. Now imagine you've had a long day and you're feeling really tired. But there's a party tonight that everyone expects you to attend. Prioritizing yourself might mean choosing to stay home, rest, and recharge instead of going out. So, it's not about letting others down, it's about making sure that you're not running on empty. It's basically like the safety instructions on an airplane. They tell you to put your oxygen mask first before helping others. Now, that's because you can't take care of anyone else if you haven't taken care of yourself first. And when you're happy, healthy, and not overly stressed, you're more patient, kinder, and more effective in everything that you do. Promise to take care of yourself. Now, prioritizing yourself sets the intention, and taking care of yourself is carrying out that intention. It's the action that you take daily to maintain your well being through consistent, healthy practices. And taking care of yourself is not just one aspect, taking care includes your body, mind, skin, hair, basically everything about you. The third promise is to never stop learning and growing. Now, whether it's picking up a new skill, reading more books, or attending workshops and seminars, growth is about pushing the boundaries of what you know and how you know it. Let's say you enjoy gardening on weekends. Now, reading more about landscape design could actually enhance your hobby and even lead you to discover a new career path. Promise number four, cut out negativity and negative people. Now, surrounding yourself with positivity is not just about feeling better, it's about creating an environment where you can grow and thrive. Negative influences, whether they come from people, situations, can actually drain your energy, move you away from your goals, and even impact your mental health. Even simple things like putting stop to watching negative, horrific, toxic content on TV and social media can help you go a long way. And the last promise is to set up boundaries. Now, setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining your health, well being, and personal happiness. It involves understanding and communicating your limits to others, which helps prevent burnout, stress, and being taken advantage of. You need to do this both at home and at your workplace. Remember, while your job is an important part of your life, it's not your whole life. Similarly, family time is precious, but you also deserve moments just for yourself. So the next time you find yourself questioning what others have done for you, take a moment to reflect on what have you done for yourself. Are you keeping the promises that lead you to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilled life? It's time to take charge of your own life to ensure that you're not just surviving but thriving. Thank you for joining me today on She Knows on Wonder Woman Wednesday, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Until next time, keep honoring your commitments to yourself because you deserve it.